you purchase a video borescope from ViewTech, it arrives in a high-quality, ruggedized case, fully loaded with every accessory you'll need to hit the ground running. The accessories included with your video borescope include 2 lithium-ion batteries, including 1 spare battery, a battery charger, micro USB cable, an AC power adapter, video out or HDMI cable, one 16GB SD card, an SD card reader, a quick start guide, your Borescope user manual, lens cleaning crush tube swabs, lens cleaning dry swabs. Also, the 6mm diameter ViewTech video borescope comes with a thread-on-tip accessory kit, which also includes a magnet, hook, and mirror attachment. To properly remove your borescope from the case, first, using your left hand, unwind and remove the insertion tube from the case. Then, use your right hand to grasp and remove the base unit from the case. Always return the borescope to its case when not in use to avoid unintentional damage. Be sure the joystick is in the center position and that the bending section is straight prior to inserting the borescope into the case. To return your borescope back to its case, first, place the base unit into the case, then gently feed the insertion tube into and around the slotted channel that is designed to house the insertion tube. As always, the best way to experience a ViewTech video borescope is with our free on-site demo program. Call to speak with one of our knowledgeable video borescope experts and we will help find the best borescope for your inspection needs. You will quickly realize why ViewTech Borescopes is the #1 seller of video borescopes in North America. Subscribe to ViewTech Borescopes YouTube videos at youtube.com/borescopes or visit viewtech.com for more details on our impressive line of fully articulating video borescopes.